In this video, I want to introduce a new method which you may find interesting and convenient to view nested image directories within a browser. Let's get started. On my desktop, I have a folder called Images, which is the nested image directory. It contains some dummy images. And let's visualize the file structure using the tree command. This is a Linux terminal, and on PowerShell we can do the same thing using tree/f. They're pretty much the same thing. And I made a clone of the Linux tree command, Python fmtree. And by the way, the fmtree package I wrote can be installed with pip install fmtree. So the clone of tree can be executed like this: python -m fmtree visualizer.visualize. It has some other options, such as output to different location or outputting different styles. For example, the default style is tree, and we can use Markdown or HTML. We can even set extension as a filter. So only JPG image or only PNG images. Until now, you may find this boring and useless since both Linux and PowerShell already have this functionality. The next module may be more interesting to you. Suppose you're looking at the images in this directory. You have to open an image in an app and navigate the images using your keyboard. And if you want to view the images in another folder, you have to open the image in another window, and so on. In a nested image directory, it's not so convenient to view the images. How about let's view the images in a browser? There is a one-liner bash script which you can use to put all the images into a single HTML file. Okay, now let's open this HTML. This way, you can view multiple images in your browser, but there are also some drawbacks. First of all, there is no styling. Images have different dimensions, so when you zoom into 100%, you cannot view the entire image in your browser. And some image may be so small and some image may be large. And second of all, it does not support nested directory. We're only viewing the current directory, and these ones are some directories, since we use all files as an image. And the third problem is it's not interactive. So let me introduce a solution to this problem. It's called fmtree visualizer image dir for image directory. If we look at the help menu, it's very simple. You simply need to pass in a input directory. So then it will produce an HTML. Then you can visualize the nested image directory in your browser. You can click on Show All to show all the images. In addition, if you click on the thumbnail, you can view the large image, the file location, as well as the file size. You can also adjust the image thumbnail width using this input box. When you increase it to 50%, there will be 2 images in a row, and if you use 30%, there will be 3 images in a row, and 100% for the full width. There are some other options, such as using CDN to save the file size, or use Show All. To show all images when you open it. Hopefully this tool is helpful to you. This Python package is still under development. You can find it You can find it on GitHub, and feel free to send a pull request or contribute.